Welcome to 229 Lynden Road, Unit 16 here in Brantford. This bungalow townhouse has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Come take a look.
The main floor has everything you need. A great kitchen, living space, 2 bedrooms, and a full bathroom. There's actually a full bathroom down here, which is right next to a massive rec room and another bedroom. So I guess if you're looking for main floor living and super low maintenance, this is kind of the place, right? I can see myself living here.
Give it 20 years.